Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix out of video memory trying to allocate a texture error in Fortnite and Valorant games. Click Start, Settings, click About, click Advanced System Settings. Click Settings. Uncheck Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives. Set Initial Size. Physical RAM size is 8 GB. Eight into 1024 equal to multiply with 1.5. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.